Why your course should have a linear design. How you structure your online course can directly affect the success of students, and the structural difference is key to certain demographics. In general, most college courses benefit from a linear structure because they are best received by their audience. While some students may find a non-linear approach easier to find aspects of the course that they are interested, as a designer, you should be concerned that there's a subset that may miss needed components of the course. Moreover, the structure may not relay any meaningful connections that the content shares. For example, imagine you're designing a course. You create a folder of quizzes, a folder of tests, a folder of weekly readings, a folder of discussion boards, a folder with the current event assignments, a link to the publisher's website for more material, and now all the student has to do is read the 15-page syllabus to know what to do and where to find all the appropriate materials. And the course is done. This design is easy for the faculty to create, but it's not easy for a student to navigate. Determining what is due at any given point can be buried in a long syllabus and hard to find. The objectives are unclear and are difficult to find as well. Even if the folder has weekly headings, the students are required to constantly jump in and out of the folders to navigate their learning in a meaningful way. To compound this problem, there's no meaningful ordering or naming of the content to reveal how the content relates to each other. Recipes include a step-by-step process, precisely because they guide us through the process of creating something. Shouldn't the course design be structured to guide the students through the process of learning? The vast majority of college students taking online courses are not self-motivated graduate students or postdocs, and several are new to the college learning experience. It is reasonable to assume that many of these students are not as highly disciplined. In schools with students new to online learning or educational technology or who have disabilities, for example, certain community colleges have a rate as high as 1 in 4 who meet these categories, a linear model assists in their success. The linear model also does not impede the student's progress. This is not true of nonlinear models, as they often impede student success in all students who are not very self-regulated and require extra guidance from faculty overall for success with most students. If you are designing a course for undergraduates, and particularly for students new to the college experience, or that face specific learning obstacles, such as in community colleges, you should gravitate towards a simple linear course model design. It is not that nonlinear course designs do not work. You could achieve the same student success rates with a lot more work on your part as an instructor to overcome design issues that impede student understanding. However, isn't adopting a design structure to do that work and contribute to student success what instructional design is all about?